In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the Claude AI app on your laptop or PC in just a few easy steps. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Claude Download. From the results, open the official Claude website. Here, you will find the download option. Scroll down and you will see download buttons for different operating systems. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on Download for Windows. The download will start automatically. You can click the Downloads button in the top right corner to check the download progress. Once it's downloaded, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the Claude setup file, right-click on it, and open it. The installation will start automatically. After the installation is complete, you'll see the Claude dashboard. You can continue with your Google account or sign in using your email. I'll continue with my email. Claude will send a verification code to your email. Open your email and click on Sign in to Claude AI. A pop-up will appear asking you to open Claude. Select Open Claude and click Continue. And that's it. That's how you can download and install the Claude AI app on your PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel